Cars aren't just getting smarter, they're getting seriously cool. Today on Make Life Smart, we're revealing car gadgets so advanced, you'll want them the moment you see them. From tech that upgrades your daily drive to innovations that feel straight out of the future, this is where style meets smart driving. Stay with us, because your car is about to level up. Introducing the NOCO Air Lithium, a portable air compressor built for modern drivers who value speed, safety, and convenience. Flat tires never arrive at the right moment, and that's exactly why the NOCO Air Lithium exists. Compact, lightweight, and powerful, this smart compressor is designed to live in your car, ready whenever the road throws a surprise your way. Despite its small size, NOCO Air Lithium delivers fast, high-pressure inflation for car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, and more. The digital display lets you set your exact pressure, then automatically shuts off once it's reached. No guesswork, no overinflation. Powered by a long-lasting lithium battery, it works anywhere without needing your car's power socket. Built-in LED lighting helps during nighttime emergencies, while its rugged, premium design feels solid and reliable in your hands. With the NOCO Air Lithium, tire inflation becomes effortless, precise, and stress-free. Meet the XTOOL A30M V2.0, the best budget OBD2 tool designed for car owners who want smart diagnostics without breaking the bank. Gone are the days of guessing why your check engine light is on. The XTOOL A30M V2.0 plugs directly into your car's OBD2 port and instantly provides accurate, real-time data on engine performance, error codes, and system health. Its intuitive interface makes reading, clearing, and diagnosing faults simple, even if you're not a mechanic. From engine diagnostics to battery status and sensor checks, this tool puts professional-grade insights right in your hands. Compact and portable, it works seamlessly across a wide range of vehicles, while its durable premium build ensures long-lasting use. With the XTOOL A30M V2.0, maintaining your car becomes smarter, faster, and more confident, saving you time, money, and unnecessary stress. EthyloKey, a touch-based alcohol detector that puts safety right at your fingertips. With just a simple tap, EthyloKey measures your blood alcohol level instantly, giving you accurate results in seconds. Its sleek, compact design makes it easy to carry anywhere, from your pocket to your car. No complicated setup or disposable sensors, just touch, read, and know. Perfect for drivers, partygoers, and anyone who wants peace of mind before hitting the road. With the EthyloKey, staying responsible has never been smarter, faster, or more futuristic. Introducing the Vantrue E360 dashcam, a 5.2K 360-degree panoramic recording system designed for drivers who want total coverage and peace of mind. Accidents and incidents can happen in the blink of an eye, and the E360 captures every angle with stunning clarity. Its ultra-high-resolution 5.2K camera ensures that every detail, from license plates to street signs, is crystal clear day or night. With full 360-degree panoramic recording, there's no blind spot, giving you complete situational awareness on the road. The camera also features intelligent loop recording, G-sensor detection, and automatic incident locking to keep critical moments secure. Designed for seamless integration, the Vantrue E360 is easy to install, durable, and built to withstand daily driving conditions. With this dashcam, you're not just recording your journey, you're riding smarter, safer, and fully in control. Meet the NOCO Boost Air, your all-in-one jump starter and air compressor. Compact, powerful, and portable, it can revive dead batteries and inflate tires in seconds. Perfect for roadside emergencies, this gadget keeps you ready, safe, and in control anytime, anywhere. Philips GoPure Style 7611 is a premium car air purifier designed to keep every drive fresh and healthy. It actively removes dust, pollen, smoke, and harmful particles from your car's cabin, ensuring clean air for you and your passengers. Its sleek, compact design fits perfectly in any vehicle, while quiet operation keeps your ride peaceful. With real-time air quality monitoring and high-efficiency filtration, the GoPure Style 7611 transforms your car into a safe, futuristic space, making every journey smarter and more comfortable. Introducing the HUDWAY Drive, a smart heads-up display that keeps your eyes on the road and you're driving smarter. This compact device projects key navigation, speed, and driving info directly onto your windshield, so you never have to glance down at your phone or dashboard. Compatible with most smartphones, it transforms any car into a futuristic cockpit with real-time directions and alerts. Designed for clarity and safety, HUDWAY Drive uses bright, high-contrast projections that stay visible even in daylight. Quick to set up and easy to use, it's perfect for daily commuting, road trips, or long drives. With the HUDWAY Drive, your driving becomes safer, smarter, and seamlessly connected, letting you focus on the road ahead. The WOLFBOX G900 4K, a rear-view mirror dashcam that brings cutting-edge clarity to every drive. With ultra-sharp 4K recording, it captures front and rear views simultaneously, keeping every detail crystal clear. Its sleek mirror design integrates seamlessly with your car, while features like loop recording, G-sensor detection, and parking monitoring ensure nothing goes unnoticed. The WOLFBOX G900 4K isn't just a dashcam, it's a smarter, safer, and more premium way to protect your ride on every journey. Meet XTOOL AD20 Pro, a smart dashboard that transforms your car into a futuristic command center. With real-time data streaming directly to your screen, you can monitor engine performance, fuel efficiency, and sensor status at a glance. No more guessing while your check engine light is on. The AD20 Pro provides instant diagnostics, helping you stay ahead of potential issues. Its sleek, intuitive display delivers clear visuals of speed, RPM, temperature, and battery health, all while seamlessly integrating with your car's system. Advanced features like customizable alerts and historical data tracking let you fine-tune your driving experience for safety and efficiency. The XTOOL AD20 Pro isn't just a gadget, it's a smarter, safer, and more connected way to drive, giving you full control and peace of mind on every journey. Introducing the Baseus CW01, a magnetic wireless charging car mount that makes your drives effortless and futuristic. With its strong magnetic hold, your phone stays secure even on bumpy roads, while fast wireless charging keeps your device powered without messy cables. Its 360-degree adjustable design ensures perfect viewing angles for navigation, calls, or media, all hands-free. The Baseus CW01 combines convenience, style, and cutting-edge technology, turning your car into a smarter, safer, and fully connected driving experience.